We are one of the largest manufacturers of aerospace and defense products. We have to deal with a lot of complexity. These products that we make are at the highest demand that we've ever seen. My name is Garrett Morgan. I work in operations and supply chain at RTX. At RTX, we make some of the most advanced products across aerospace and defense. These things range from sensors to landing gear to full jet engines. We make these advanced products through a very distributed global manufacturing network. We have over 150 manufacturing sites, 11,000 suppliers, all coming together to deliver over 1,400 products per day. Complexity is solved through the use of technology and our manufacturing system. Our solution is what we call connected factories. Think of a nervous system of a factory. This is connecting our physical processes and systems with our digital and data to make quicker decisions. Let me walk you through a connected factory. In the past, we would run a machine until it failed and would cause disruption. Unexpected shutdowns are extremely disruptive and can cause ripple effects through the supply chain. Using data and technology, we try to introduce as much predictability as possible. This is ensuring we've got the right parts, people, machines ready to work every single day. Today, we have machines that speak. Machines now have the ability to tell us when they're off. We can tell if they have set temperatures, vibration, or other factors that would alert us to say we need to do some preventative maintenance before it causes a line disruption. Next, we leverage our proprietary data platform to bring all these connected equipment, connected products into one central location to facilitate data analytics as well as real-time insights. AI is really accelerating our ability to understand data at scale and make decisions quicker. It's giving us opportunities to look at things that we've never had the ability to do before across RTX. To ensure we have the parts that we need to produce every single day, we leverage AI to help manage the complexity of our supply chain. We look to constantly identify constraints in either our supply chain or our factories. Using AI is one of their capabilities for us to quickly identify those and ultimately take corrective actions. We've made meaningful improvements in introducing AI into our processes, and only more of that to come in the future.